Welcome to the listening test. You will hear 3 short audio recordings. Before each audio, you will have 1 minute to read the questions. Then, after a sound signal, the audio will start. After the audio, the questions will appear again on the screen. Please pause the video and take your time to answer the questions. Good luck!
Hello, I'm Ben. I'm a student. I live in a small flat in London with my parents and my cat, Tiger. I usually get up at 7 o'clock and go to school by bus. In my free time, I play video games and ride my bike. My favourite colour is blue, and I
These are the answers for verification. Next test.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 22 years old, and I'm from Canada. I study English and history at university. I like music and movies. I often go to the cinema with my friends on weekends. My favorite food is pizza, but I also like ice cream. I have one brother, Tom. He is 18, and he likes football very much.
These are the answers for verification. Next test.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm 14 years old. I live in a small town near the sea. Every morning I walk to school with my friend Lisa. After school, we usually do our homework together or listen to music. At weekends, I love going to the beach or visiting my grandparents. My grandma makes delicious cookies.
These are the answers for verification. Thank you for taking this listening test. We hope it was helpful for your English practice. Let us know in the comments how can we make the test better. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more English exercises. See you next time.